what? Wait a minute. You know what time it is? It's what bag am I carrying time. Hold it. You know what time it is? Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a double Coach unboxing and reveal. Okay, one unboxing, one reveal, and then I have some gorgeous jewelry to share with you that I'll share with you first from Read Your Heart. So, if you want to see all the lovely things that I have to share with you, alright guys, so for today's video, I have a Coach unboxing, a reveal, I already took it out of the bag, and I have some gorgeous jewelry to share with you from Read Your Heart. If you want to see all the beautiful things that I have to share with you today, stick around. Okay, the first item I am so excited about came in this box here. It says Read Your Heart, and not really, it's on my wrist. Okay, I went ahead and put it on, you guys. It is a emerald tennis bracelet. I'm going to list this piece below and all the pieces that I got. And it just has emeralds on all these different stations the entire way around. And then, of course, it has the lobster claw clasp. And it's all in sterling silver. So I chose this piece because I also have the necklace, but my necklace is in the clear moissanite and you can wrap it around. So I thought, ooh, I would love to have the tennis bracelet, and I have been in such a green mood lately. I chose green, but I might go back and get the green one to wrap around with my clear one. I think that would be such a statement. And wrapping, you guys, using multiple necklaces and layering necklaces is a big thing for this year, for 2025. And I do have a video coming up about some of my favorite trends and least so I do have a video coming up of my favorite and least favorite trends coming up in 2025. But that's why I chose this bracelet, because I think it's going to be such a pretty layering stack. And you guys know I stack costume jewelry from Bauble Bar with Cartier, with Yerman, with Roberto coin. So I'm just stacking happy, okay? I'm just a stacking queen. So that's the first piece that I got. Now, the next piece I got is in this, and you just take it out of this little protective cardboard paper, and it reveals the beautiful box. And in this one, oh yeah, I got this gorgeous necklace because I have several pair of emerald earrings from Read Your Heart. Oh, I think I've got it on there crooked. So I've got several pair of earrings from Read Your Heart, and I just like to have something different. And yes, I would wear this casually. It doesn't have to be dressed up, because when you first look at it, you think, wow, that's really fancy and dressy, but you can dress anything up or down, I feel like, or most anything. So that's what I chose, just to have something a little bit different. And this is that really dark, sensuous emerald green that I love. I only got one piece from Read Your Heart that the emerald ring was lighter. It's very pretty, but I prefer the really dark emerald. So I got that beautiful necklace, and there's another item. They each come wrapped individually in these type of bubble bags inside of this big bag. So it's always very well packaged. And again, you do get your paperwork, cleaning cloth, and a gift bag. And I just kind of save these if I ever want to gift something to any of my family. So here is the next piece. And this one, I have no idea what it is. I have no idea. I cannot remember what I chose. All right. Oh, I got another ring. Okay. Now, this one is a very dark ring and it matches the necklace exactly. So let me go ahead and take this ring out of here and share it with you with the necklace. Beautiful set. So that is what I got. Whoop. This beautiful necklace, which I have it on there crooked, but with that ring. Very sparkly. These are exquisite. And I'm very happy with this ring. Much happier with this ring than my previous green ring because it does have that really dark color. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay. I have lost some weight, you guys, and the ring is too big now. But I do have some ring sizers, and I can also put it on another finger. Oh my goodness. Let me put it, yeah, it fits the middle finger now. Oh, I like that. Do you like it that way? I did purchase it. I did choose this one to wear here, but I have lost almost 10 pounds, so now my fingers are smaller, which is a good thing. I could wear it there. I could wear it here with a ring sizer. I could put it over here. I really don't like it over there. I like it to kind of stand out on its own. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. I like it there. I think I might like it on the middle finger. Yes, and it feels comfortable. How beautiful. So I'm going to keep these two pieces on, you guys, for today. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to have to go back and get that other necklace in green. That way I'll have a really pretty stack. But you guys, I know that I come on here and I tell you, oh, this is beautiful. But until you see it for yourself, you have no idea how beautiful and what great quality. And they have a great customer service. So if you ever do have any kind of an issue, all you have to do is reach out to them. They have been wonderful to work with. And everything that they have sent me, I have absolutely loved. The only complaint, and it's not even a complaint because the ring was gifted to me and it's beautiful, is I prefer the dark green, whereas some people might prefer the lighter green, but I wasn't sure about it. But this ring, I could not be happier. Look how pretty it is next to my Hermes ring. Oh my gosh. Please do check out the site because you will not find a better gift at a better price anywhere for somebody you love for Valentine's Day or for yourself. Always treat yourself kindly and get yourself something for Valentine's Day. I plan to. I'm probably going to get that necklace from Read Your Heart and use my coupon code. So you guys, I just want to say that if you want the best jewelry that you could get for your money's worth, Read Your Heart is my ultimate favorite jewelry brand. And I won't say that about other jewelry brands that I work with. I'll say they're nice, because if they're not, I'm not going to present it to you. I don't want you to buy yucky jewelry. I mean, I want you to have beautiful pieces like this for very affordable prices. Check out Read Your Heart for Valentine's Day for your significant other, your mother, your sister, anybody that it means a lot to you, and also yourself. So thank you so much, Read Your Heart, for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you for the beautiful jewelry. I absolutely love it. It's my bag of the week time. You guys, I couldn't get it straight earlier. Okay, so my bag of the week, probably until the weekend, because tomorrow's already Thursday, is this bag. And I may carry it through the weekend, just depending on what I do this weekend. I love this bag, you guys. It is a forever bag. There was actually a point when I thought about selling it. But that would have been really dumb, because then I would have sold it, I would have spent the money, and I wouldn't have the bag. So there you go. To me, she's a classic. So this is my beautiful bag of the week. Look at that. Look at that back pocket, you guys. And I haven't bought Chanel in a long time, so maybe this year might be the year of Chanel. I don't know. I might buy something in Chanel, but I'm just thinking about that cherry collection right now, you guys. I can't get it off of my mind. Speaking of cherry collection, I have a little something that has finally came in, and it's the little cherry scarf. The only other person that I saw that got this was Jessie of YotaStyle. Hey girl, she's got absolutely amazing taste. She has the most gorgeous collection, and she's went crazy for cherries as well. And she also got this piece and put it on her bag, the bag that I'm trying to fight myself not to get. But anywho, you guys, I thought, if anything, I will get this. It is a very good size, and I got it from the Coach outlet. It says Coach there in the corner. So I'm not really a scarfy around the neck person. I'm not saying I won't wear it this way sometime, but more than anything, I wanted to wear it in my hair. Not like that, but you know, different ways. I could scrunch it up. I could wear it like a do-rag. I got it to wear on my hair, and I'm not really the type to tie a scarf around my bag. I'm not one of those, like when I had my Birkin, I did not have twillies around the handles. I can't handle the feel of it. I can't, but I just wanted this mostly for my hair. And wow, it's a really good feel. I saw another beautiful scarf on Coach that I might go back and get, but I am really loving this, and I just had to have it. I'm super excited about this unboxing. This one's been up here about a week, and I'm finally getting caught up. I only have 2 boxes left. So actually, this is a gift from Keith. So this is the first gift that he's actually bought me this year since Christmas, which was very sweet of him. And I'm so excited to have these, you guys, because let me just go ahead and show you and stop dilly-dallying. They are shoes. Gotta get them out of that big box. I got another pair of Coach shoes. So let's toss the box and let me share with you the shoes that I saw these on Zappos. I've actually been looking at them, and then on Zappos they were marked down quite a bit, and so I pointed them out to Keith. He said, well, go ahead and get them, and I'll, you know, order them and I'll get them for you. So here's the box, and open them up, and I bought the same size 7.5 that I bought on my other Coach shoes, because they seem to be about a half a size, sometimes to a full size, too big. So these actually have the Coach print on them. The other pair I got was the black sparkly pair, if you'll remember, and these are called the Natalie. Look how cute. Super casual. I could wear them with shorts, skirts, jeans. Not a dress, but you know, lots of stuff. I could wear these. This is my type of shoe if I'm not wearing sandals or sneakers, because they're a little dressy, but not too dressy. You can dress anything up or down. Now I hope that they're sized like the other ones, but these are just super cute, and I think I found them for like $117, I want to say. I don't see. I'm going to link them if I can find them, especially at Zappos. I either paid $117 or $177. I can't remember, but I feel like these were around $250 regular. So let me try these on and see if they fit like the other Coach shoes that I got. The black ones with the sparkle. Yes! They fit! They fit perfect, because I think my other shoes were a different, they weren't the same style. They're very similar. There are several different styles of Coach loafers, and so far I got these, and I got the ones with the crystals, and now I think I'm gonna get just a plain white pair. I saw a white pair with a black, like a whole black sole, and I thought that was really pretty for summer. But I love loafers. I've got lots of other styles of loafers, different brands, and these Coach loafers, well, Coach shoes in general are just as well made as their handbags. I mean, I always went for Tory Burch shoes and Gucci, but I've been into the Coach shoes lately, and I swear, you guys, they're just every bit as good as my Gucci loafers, which if you would like, I can do a comparison of that. I'll jot that idea down, and you guys let me know if you want to see a comparison between my different luxury style shoes. You know what time it is. Before I let you go, let me remind you to subscribe. I've been getting some new subscribers. I'm super stoked. So maybe we will make it to 7K. I would love to make it to 7K for my birthday, you guys, in May. So that's something to think about. Join my fan jam. We have so much fun over here, and I'm considering getting some merch. So that would be an amazing thing. If I hit 7,000, I might do it. Alright guys, that's about all I have for you today. I do want to let you know that Read Your Heart also is running a killer Valentine's special sale. So you're going to need to go over there and pick out something lovely, okay? I really want you to have something and use my coupon code because Read Your Heart is the best, you guys. And once you purchase from them, you will not regret it. And let's see what's coming up. I do have ideas written down. I'm still going to do the trends video. I'm still going to do the big bags versus smaller bag video. I have quite a few things written down and a couple more unboxings coming up. Yes, I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you really, really soon in a couple of days. Peace.